Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with an online exclusive stamp set that is also an early release, okay? So we have the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper that we're going to be using, By My Side stamp set, and the Fluffiest Friends bundle. This is the stamp set, and these are the dies. This is an online exclusive that will be available in about a week from today. Happy November, everybody. So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have here our November Paper Pumpkin Kit Warm Wishes. You have until November 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 8 boxes and comes with a Mossy Meadow stamping spot. There is an add-on available of 20 cards with coordinating envelopes for $14. 163985 is the item number, and you do have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get the add-ons, okay? Next up, we have our November host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Also, the monthly host code can always be found on my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com, so always check there for the current host code, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started because we have quite a bit things to do. So we're going to start with our card base of Early Espresso. This is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, and I'm just going to burnish that score line down with our bone folder. I have gone ahead and put our inside piece together. This is a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I have added a piece of Designer Series paper to the front. I'm not quite sure of the measurement because it was just some scrap that was sitting in the little envelope I have with the rest of the Designer Series paper. But it looks to be about 3 inches long and probably an inch wide. Okay, so we have the inside done. Well, we can go ahead, and I have 2 pieces of Designer Series paper here that are 3 by 4. These are both from the Delightfully Eclectic, and we're going to go ahead and put these onto our card base. This is going to be a quick and simple card. I'm going to have that just like that. Then we're going to take this one. Oh, I love this side of the paper. I need to do something with that side. Okay. And then we're going to put this one about right here. Trying to get it straight. Whoop. Just like that. Okay. So we're done with this portion. Now we're going to take some basic white and we're going to do some stamping. So I have my bear from the Fluffiest Friends with some Memento Tuxedo black ink. We're going to ink him up really good. Get him all inked up there. And we're going to stamp him down. That's pretty good. Oh. Okay, and then we're gonna color him. So let me get some scrap paper here. And we're gonna do some coloring real quick. So I have some Daffodil Delight. This is the dark, and we're gonna color the honey in his little pot here. Using our Daffodil Delight. Then I have some basic black. This is the dark. I'm going to color the pads of his feet. Or his foot, because the other one is not showing. And then I'm going to color in his nose to make it a little darker. Trying to keep my head out of the camera. Okay, and We have some natural tones. This is number 800, which is the medium light. And we're going to color his snout area. Just like that. I think I want to go ahead and just lay down a little bit of this on that side of his body. Okay. Then we're going to take 500, because the higher the number, the lighter. And we're going to color our bear here. And I just seen a spot that I should have colored, but the 800. So we're just going to color this entire bear in this, what did I say, 500? Okay, we got the 500 done. I'm just going to do the inside of his ears with this 800 there. Okay, so now we're going to go to 400, if I can get the lid off, and we're going to go around the edges of our, oh man, I went way out of line. Go around our edges here. I'm going a little fast because I'm trying not to take up too much time with all of the coloring. Okay, I think I'll go a little bit more for this. Okay, so then we're going to go to the 300, and we're going to do this just around the edges. Okay, then we're going to go back to 500 and color the rest of the bear in. And yes, I'm coloring over that 800, but I didn't want to color over it the first time because that would put 2 layers of 500 over it, and I only want 1 layer. Okay, so now let's do our light misty moonlight for our little honey pot here. Actually, you know what? Let me go do the dark because I want it dark in certain places. Then we're going to do the light. Okay, and I see some spots I missed right here. So let's go back over it. Okay, so we're finished coloring. So now we're gonna get our dies and cut this out. So our mini Stampin' Cut and Boss machine. Because this is too big to fit in our machine the way it is, I'm just gonna cut this down. We're going to get our die and place it over this. I'm not sure if you guys can hear all that background noise, but it is Halloween night as I am filming this. And my neighborhood really goes all out for Halloween. They go all out and all late. So it's going to be some background noise. Okay, so now we have our bear here all die cut out, and we are going to pop him right there like that. Let's get some dimensionals to pop him up. Super cute. Okay, so we have our dimensionals on the back of there, so we're going to put him right here. Then we have to do our sentiment. So the sentiment is coming from by my side, and we're going to be stamping that in Misty Moonlight. I have a piece of scrap here. I'm not sure how wide this is, but I might be cutting it down anyway. So let's just see. We're going to stamp that about right there. Looks a little crooked. Let's see if we can do a better job right here. Okay. I do like that side better. So let's close up our ink, get our scissors. Actually, you know what? Cute. I should. Yeah. Let me just cut this. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little banner. Just like that. I was going to use the punch, but it's such a small piece. And we're going to put this right here like that. Oh, that is going to be cute. Okay. Let's get these dimensional backs off. And we'll have our card almost done. Come on. So let's see. I want him about right there. So our sentiment would go in there. Let's get our glue. We're going to put this about where I say. Right here. Where did I say? About right there, I hope. And we're going to put our bear. Oh, did I move it? Put our little bear right there. That's super cute. Okay, now we just need some bling. So what do I have? I have the pastel Adhesive-Backed sequins here. They come in 2 sizes, 3 colors, gold, petal pink, and balmy blue. And I think I'm going to use the petal pink. That's the color in here. Where's my take your pick tool? So let's see where we're going to put these things. I think. I want one there and one here. And how about we put 2 there and 2 there. And one more. Oh, I think I want to put one up here, just like that. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this stamp set with that all the animals, the Fluffiest Friends. And this is the inside, just very simple. Okay, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.